Are you tired of working longer hours but feeling like you're still falling behind? I do food delivery. I'm building my online business. My goal is to replace that income so I can eventually do affiliate marketing full time. That's why I started learning high ticket affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll explain why I believe every gig worker should learn high ticket affiliate marketing. Hey everyone, this is Siobhan George. I still do food delivery part time, but after dealing with a calf injury, I realized I couldn't depend on gig work forever. That's why I started learning high ticket affiliate marketing. I'm building an online business so I can eventually replace my gig work income. And in this video, I'll explain why every gig worker should do high ticket affiliate marketing. If you're driving for DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart, Amazon Flex, or another gig app, this video is for you. I'm not going to tell you to quit your gig job tomorrow. I'm saying it's smart to start building another source of income so you have an exit plan. The first reason is you can pay bigger bills. A $500, $1,000, or even a $2,000 commission can help you pay for things like rent, mortgage, car payments, insurance, credit cards. One commission can make a huge difference. The second reason is you can reinvest into your business. Bigger commissions give you money to grow. You can afford things like postcard marketing, solo ads, newspaper advertising, better business tools, more lead generation. Instead of living commission to commission, you can actually invest in growing your business. The third reason is you can focus on your business. Many gig workers spend all day delivering food or driving. High ticket income can help you spend more time building a business instead of constantly working just to pay bills. The fourth reason is bigger payments last longer. Think about this. A $20 commission disappears quickly. A $500, $1,000, or $2,000 commission gives breathing room. You don't need dozens of tiny commissions to make progress. Reason five is better quality of life. High income can help you buy um, healthier food, reduce financial stress, save money, and improve your lifestyle. Number six is invest in your health. After my calf injury, from doing food delivery, I realized how important health it really is. With more income, you can afford supplements, better nutrition, doctor visits, physical therapy, gym memberships. Taking care of yourself is an investment. Reason seven is live where you want. More income gives you more choices. You may be able to move to a better neighborhood, find a safer place to live, and have more financial freedom. Number eight is less wear and tear on your body. Gig work can be physically demanding. Driving, walking, lifting, and riding a bike takes a toll over time. Learning online income gives you another option that doesn't depend on your body as much. Reason nine is you need fewer cells. This is one of my favorite reasons. Instead of making dozens of small cells, if you high ticket commissions can make a real impact. Sometimes one cell can equal dozens of low ticket cells. Number 10 is more time with family. When you aren't constantly chasing the next delivery, you can spend more time with family, friends, and doing the things that matter most. Number 11 is build a real business. Gig work pays today's bills. Affiliate marketing lets you build something you own. You're creating a brand, content, email lists, websites, and marketing skills. Those are assets you can continue growing. And number 12 is learn valuable skills. High ticket affiliate marketing teaches skills you can use for years. Skills like marketing, lead generation, content creation, email marketing, sales, and business building. These skills are valuable no matter what business you choose. Reason 13 is get paid directly. One thing I like about Exitus Elite is that you can receive payments directly. You can get paid through Cash App, Venmo, Stripe, PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Tron, Ethereum, and more. Reason 14 is more control over your income. With gig work, the app controls many things. With your own online business, you have much more control over how you market and grow your income. Reason 15 is create your exit plan. This is probably the biggest reason I'm not saying quit gig work overnight. I'm saying start building something today so you don't have to rely on gig work forever. That's exactly why I'm doing this. Why I choose Exitus Elite. I choose Exitus Elite because it allows members to earn $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000 commissions. You earn 100% commissions on your direct sales. You also receive resale rights to digital courses, your own personalized website, company capture pages, a company call center, frequently asked questions, member testimonials, compensation plan, member ID, and team support. One feature I really like is the company call center. If they close your sale, you earn 80% of the commission. For example, if they close a $100 sale, you pay the company $20 and you keep $80. When you join the higher levels like $500, $1,000, or $2,000, you also become eligible to earn commissions from all the lower levels. If you decide to join my team, I'll also provide traffic resources, capture pages, and personal support. You can call, text, or email me if you need help. If you're a gig worker looking for another way to build income, I'll put my Exitus Elite link in the YouTube description. I also put other Exitus Elite videos in the description. I'll also include a video that gives you a tour of the Exitus Elite back office capture pages and the personalized website members receive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.